Welcome back to another episode of Cook with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good scrambled egg with cheese and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. This is delicious, simple to do. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, I got 9 eggs because I'm going to make a good bunch of scrambled eggs here. I'm going to whisk this very good together. Okay, I got this on medium heat here. Melting the butter in here. You just gotta have good butter flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and put the eggs in here. I'm not gonna salt them till the end or anything like that, because okay, now we're gonna stir this some more here. Okay. A little bit of cheese into here, just a little bit. Call that good enough. Okay, now we're gonna put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on this. Give it some, and a little bit of black pepper. Okay, now I'm just gonna do a taste test on that. Oh my god, that is so good. So creamy. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank y'all.